Hello! Nasa Muscat na kami, Oman.
We have a layover here for 3 hours, I think. And we've just checked into the lounge. It's a very cool lounge. They have food. They have like
Cinema. You can sleep here. Masarap pagkain. Pag si Sonia kasama ko, full vacation talaga ako. Mahilig yan sa mga ganyan eh. Ayan ah, kasama ko siya. Tingnan natin yung pagkain. Let's see here kung anong pwedeng kainin. Ah, nagsimula ako sa sa dessert. Ah, may mga sandwiches din. Pwedeng kainin. Salad. You will have lunch?
yeah.
What do they have for lunch? Oh, all chicken makhani. Ano? Pasta. Late na kasi, medyo late na yung aming pasok dito. Kakain kami ng rice. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Oh, may chicken. Chicken curry. They have chicken curry. Beef. Wait lang muna kami. Starter muna. Kakain muna kami ng starter. Ito mukhang masarap naman. Magsisimula ako dito. No, I think their starter is good. Let's have that.
Let's take it. Some chicken samosa, do you want?
Chicken samosa, no. I will have the spring roll.
Chicken spring roll.
Yeah, I will have 3 pieces because I want to eat main course.
3?
3 pieces. 3 pieces. I'm very hungry.
One bread?
No, maybe just a piece of bread. The plain one. Sarap yung salad nila. Mahilig lang naman ako sa salad. Hindi naman ako mahilig kumain talaga ng heavy. Ito may mga cheese pa. Ang dami oh. Ito ang starter ko. Ano kay Sonia. Sama-sama na yung kay Sonia. With drinks. Ayun na si Sonia. Oh, you get the pasta. Because it's freshly cooked.
Yeah, this one nobody has touched.
So, ayan ang starter namin. May cheese, corn, beef, roast beef. Dami. So, this is my main course. I think I'm gonna finish this. I just want to try the beef. And you, what's that? Oatmeal?
Ali.
Ali. What is that? Ali?
Is that bread pudding? Arabic
Bread pudding. So, ayun, from Thailand to Middle East, now we are eating a Middle Eastern food. Green olive, corn, fish, and roast beef. Si Sonia, oh. Ano ba nga uli yan?
Ali.
Ali daw yan. Yun. Nila siya sa kape. From spicy to, how do you call the Middle East food? Spicy food. From Philippines to Thailand. Thailand to Oman. Ito na yung pagkain namin ngayon. Wala nang kulay, guys. Ayan, tingnan mo. Normal na siya. Sa Thailand, puro dilaw. Dilaw at pula. Kulay, no? I think they put food coloring. No? Oh, that's not the food coloring. It's the spices. Ayan, tapos na ako sa dilaw. Tapos na ako sa pula. Ito naman ngayon, bumalik na ako sa regular na kulay ng pagkain. So, ayan. Ito yung main course. Tingnan ko, mauubos ko. May kape pa yan, ha? May dessert pa ako maya-maya. Let me take the beef. nice. We should eat. Kuha tayo ng dessert. Ano kaya ang masarap dito sa dessert? Your station there is the same, no?
Yeah.
The same coffee, everything, yeah?
Only this one is pasta, little local.
But the dessert and
This-
coffee will be there also?
Coffee,
Okay, yeah.
tea and all.
I think I will go. That is closer. Thank you. Ito yung coffee station na malapit sa inuupuan namin. So, dito na lang ako kukuha ng kape ko. Parehas din mukhang mas marami pang naka-display doon. Ikot tayo guys, meron ditong billiard room din. Yan o. Habang naghihintay ng flight. Meron kaming 4 na oras kasi sa paghihintay dito. So, kaya nag-launch kami. Ay, si Sonia. Sabi niya dito raw kasi kami para medyo makarelax ng konti kasi kanina pa kaming pagod. Where is that room for, let's go there. I think this is the one. This room. Ito, meron ka ring TV dito. Pwede ka umupo dito para manood. Very nice. Come, we'll go. No, it's okay. This is going to be short video only. Sa kids area dito. So talagang pag pumasok kayo dito ay makaka-relax talaga kayo. Kasi nakakapagod naman talagang sumakay sa flight. Sobrang pagod. In a reception nila, diyan kami pumasok kanina. So what else is there? Okay, nga pala, may bar. I went directly to the buffet. Ito may bar din, Dito, ganda ng bar nila. Ito yung smoking room nila. Meron pa palang another buffet station here. I think if they are very busy, they open this area.
They had some buffet here.
You okay? Sonia, kulang 4 na oras natin dito. 4 na oras lang yung layover namin dito sa Muscat. Pero pag-upo namin dito, kulang na kulang yung 4 na oras. Sa dami ng pwede mong gawin dito. Pwede ka pa nga matulog dito eh. Kung talagang sobrang haba ng layover mo. Another half an hour, magbo-board na rin kami papunta ng Dubai.
Marunong makalayo sa mendakal ka dito.